Every year, developers strive to improve and change their work from the previous year. This is true for web design as well, as it is for anything else. As technology advances rapidly, web developers and designers must keep up and incorporate new ideas into work. Businesses want their website to be as up-to-date as possible, so finding new ways to deliver the greatest result is critical. The interface is the first thing that draws the attention of the viewer. You need the latest UI/UX trends to create a recognizable page that provides a fantastic user experience and is up to date. So, in today's video, I'll inform you about some of the top UI/UX trends to look for in 2022. But before moving ahead, I would like you to like this video, press the bell icon and subscribe to First Bolt YouTube channel. Let's get started. Do you recall when all websites begin to incorporate animated elements? You won't be startled to see animations on the website in 2021, although it was once a very popular trend. So, what is a UI/UX trend exactly? These are the regulations and technologies that are currently in trend to include on websites. Today's website design principles are interactive, structured, and vibrant. If your website follows these guidelines, you have a good chance of capturing the audience's attention and interest. Dark mode is the first trend you must look upon. If a white background with lots of white space is the trend in 2021, a dark mode is one of the top UI/UX trends in 2022. But in 2022, why go with a dark theme? For some visually impaired users, a dark theme with contrasting colors improves visibility. This is one of the accessibility audit's checklist items. The second trend is animations and 3D elements. This is precisely what your company requires as the world's economy evolves. From 2021 forward, 3D wallpapers will be available as new themes in Windows 11. Even better, make some 3D animations and attract your viewers to your interactive website. We live in a strange world now. Several concepts with a more bizarre theme begin to emerge. So, abstract designs are the third trend that I want to discuss. Users seem to prefer and demand this portrayal of UI design trends. Viewers are looking for out-of-the-box and unreal encounters. That is precisely what abstract and surreal design offer. Well-known augmented reality or AR is the fourth you cannot ignore in 2022. Designers must go beyond the screen interface to truly integrate physical interaction to engage the viewers with the web page truly. Google and Apple both offer AR development platforms that combine the digital and physical worlds. IKEA, for example, uses augmented reality to let customers arrange furniture anywhere they want and see how it appears before purchasing it. Last, but definitely not the least, trend is vivid colors. You can emphasize crucial portions of your section using vibrant colors, contrast, and attractive visual features. Bright colors can be used to draw readers' attention to key regions. Consider some of your favorite websites. There are certainly a lot of vibrant components there. So why don't you hop on the bandwagon? UI/UX is about to embark on another amazing year. It is now inextricably linked to the user experience and technological advancements. Designers must keep up with developments in the industry's prevailing trend of UI/UX design in 2022 in order to please customers and provide the greatest possible user experience. Some of last year's trends have continued to grow, and advancements will undoubtedly replace them in the near future. So, which UI/UX trends are you going to follow in 2022? We are eager to know your answers in the comment sections below. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. But before leaving, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to us.